guys, this is an aiming practice video with the Nerf gun. In my last video I showed the Nerf gun to you. So this is the aiming practice with my cousin brother. I'm going to do the video. So here, and my brother is playing Xbox Horizon Forza. If you have Horizon Forza, press the like button. Okay, so let's start. So this aiming practice, I'm gonna hold the pillow like this, and then he has to shoot on the pillow, and then we'll make it tougher and tougher. Okay, so let's see. We're back. So here I am, and that's my cousin brother. He's gonna shoot me. Yeah, stay there. Yeah, okay, stay there. Okay, so let's start. Okay, that's one shot. He missed. And the last shot. Okay, so his aiming skills is only one. He shot only one time on the pillow. So now my cousin brother is gonna move the pillow, and I have to shoot. So we're back. I put the ammo in the gun. So wait. So let's start. Okay. So there's my cousin brother. As you can see, he's moving. So I have to try to shoot him. Oh, I missed one shot.
One shot missed. Second shot, yes.
It hit the pillow. My second shot hit the pillow. Oh,
Yes.
So it's the same result. My aiming skills is only one. So I hope you like this video. You should subscribe, comment, and like. So after 5 minutes, we'll think of another video. We'll think of another video. So we'll think of another and some aiming skills and some aiming practice we're going to do now after 5 minutes. So I just skip the video and let us think. Okay, bye. Okay, so let us think. Hey guys, we're back, and I thought of a thing. So this is my cousin brother. Can you move? Okay. So as you can see, the mattress and I put over there. There are 3 blocks. As you can see over here, there's 1, 2, and 3. So I'll be moving on the mattress like that. I'll just keep on moving, and you should not shoot me. You should shoot in one of the blocks over there. So I'll be moving like that. I'll show you the example.
And shoot him.
I'll be moving like that.
Ako?
Video like that. So I'll be moving, and then he should not shoot me. He should shoot in the blocks. Okay, so let me go there.
We are back, and this is a gun, and we're going to shoot now.
Okay, go. Okay, so that's one. He's going to do it again because you didn't see us. Okay,
Yes.
that's miss.
One piece.
Caught yet, So that's a miss.
No, it is.
There are 2 more shots left.
It is caught. Not 2 more shots. 3 more shots. 3 more shots.
Okay, let's do a re. Okay, so that's 1 shot.
Yes.
That's 2 shots. Okay, so that's 3 shots. So we'll come back. So we are back. I put the ammo. Okay, so let's start. One. Two. And look at this shot, okay?
No miss.
subscribe and comment. See ya.